Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage transparency mode on your Earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. You have to start by opening the application. Now click on your earbuds here, and right here at the top we have ambient sound control. So to enable transparency mode, you need to click on the ambient sound at the middle, and right here we have two modes, default one and natural. So it's up to you what mode you should use, but I prefer natural. And to swap on it, just click at this circle near to this mode, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!